Mike, are you okay?
No, I don't feel well.
What's wrong?
I feel pain in my stomach.
Since when?
Since last night.
Okay, let's see a doctor.
I think that's a good idea.
Hello? What's wrong?
I feel pain in my stomach.
Since when?
Since last night.
Did you eat anything bad?
Yes, I ate street food.
Okay, I will check you now.
Is something wrong?
Don't worry, it's not serious.
That's good. When will I feel better?
Take this medicine. You will feel better in a few days.
Thank you, doctor.
Eat only home-cooked food for a few days.
Okay, I will take care of his food.
Now, let's learn some useful sentences from the conversation. First sentence, I don't feel well. I don't feel well means your body is not okay. You may feel sick, tired, or weak. We use this sentence to say we are not okay in a polite way. Let's understand this with an example. You are at work. Your friend asks, "You look tired. Are you okay?" You answer, "I don't feel well." You can use this sentence anytime you are not feeling okay. Second sentence, don't worry. Don't worry means everything is okay. There is no big problem. We say it to help someone feel calm. You say, don't worry, when someone feels afraid or stressed. Let's understand this with an example. You are waiting for a friend. He arrived late and say, "Sorry, I'm late." You reply, "Don't worry." This is a very common and polite expression. That's all for today. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you next time.